The Culligan HF-360A whole house filtration system ensures your entire home is supplied with clean and fresh water by effectively reducing sediment, dirt, sand, and silt. This system is praised for its user-friendly installation process, featuring a 3/4-inch inlet and outlet along with a valve and head bypass shutoff for easy cartridge changes. Homeowners appreciate the protection this filtration system provides for pipes and water-using appliances, preventing sediment buildup and extending the life of household devices. Culligan's innovative valve and head technology simplifies water filter cartridge replacement with a straightforward half-turn shutoff valve, making maintenance a breeze. The clear housing design allows users to visually monitor the filter's performance, ensuring efficiency and timely cartridge replacements. Backed by a 5-year warranty, the Culligan HF-360A is a reliable choice for those seeking to enhance their home's water quality with minimal effort.